Good morning, boys. How are you? This is Ram Kumar Bhattacharya, your English teacher. Boys, once again, I am with you with another online class. Before going to our online session, I'd like to share with you some of the things. I know that you are very busy with your studies as you have to appear at the quiz examination. If we want to take a heavy work pressure, we have to keep ourselves fit. And if our health is fit, then we can ensure our soundness of mind. And this soundness of mind is very much necessary to make the best use of your time. So, boys, once again, I'd like to ask you to do physical exercise regularly so that you can keep yourself fit. Besides, you have to follow the rules of health and sanitation so that you can cope with the prevailing situation. We know that the prevailing situation is not suitable for us and we have to stay at home. So, if we want to keep the social distancing, we have no other alternative. And if we want to ensure our health safety, so we have to maintain the rules of health. Boys, once again, I'd like to ask you to follow all the rules of health so that you can keep yourself fit, you can keep yourself away from any type of what situation. Now, we are going to our main session. Once again, I'd like to welcome you all to the online session. This session is for the class 9 students. Today, we are going to discuss about transformation of degrees. Actually, this is the third consecutive class. In our two classes, so we have discussed the details of positive, comparative and superlative degree. Now we are going to interchange them. Boys, are you ready? Let us check the homework what I had given to you in our last class. Look at the homework what I had given to you. The man is as frugal as most other men in his village. So you are asked to make it superlative. And what would be the answer? The man is the most frugal of all other men in his village. As I have used there all other men, all other, that's why I have used the plural form of man. That means I have used there men. Okay, you can write the man is the most frugal of all other men in his village. Now, Harry Potter is the best selling book in the world. So, you are asked to make it positive. Look at this. Harry Potter is the most selling book. That means this book is the most selling. This is the specific one. So, we are going to make it positive. And you know that the relation between superlative and positive degree is just opposite. And if we can study the sentence carefully, we can find that the sentence is in affirmative form. So, when we are going to make it positive degree, then we have to use the negative form. And how can we do the negative form? So, we have used there no other book. You can even use there is no book. Both are same. So, no other book in the world is as good selling as Harry Potter. Or you can write there is no book in the world is as good selling as Harry Potter. Now look at the third one. Hydrogen is lighter than any other gas. So this is superlative. You are asked to make it superlative. Now we can easily do it. This sentence is given in comparative degree and you are asked to make it superlative. So we know that the relation between comparative and superlative is similar. Okay, that means if the comparative degree is in affirmative form, the superlative degree should be in also affirmative form. The subject and object, they will be as it is. Just we have to change the form of the degree. That means from comparative we are going to change it into superlative. So hydrogen is the lightest, and you know that for changing into superlative degree, so we have to use a definite article before the superlative form of adjective, and that's why we have used there the. So our answer is hydrogen is the lightest gas. Hydrogen is the lightest gas. Okay, boys. Now go to the next one. No other sea beach is as long as the sea beach of Cox's Bazar. Do you know the sentence is in which degree? The sentence is in positive degree. Now what you have to do? You have to make it comparative. So what would be the answer? The sea beach of Cox's Bazar is longer than any other sea beach. The sea beach of Cox's Bazar is longer, longer, longest. Longer is the comparative form of long. So look at this. So as the sentence is in positive degree, it was in negative form. As the relation between positive and comparative is just the opposite, that's why we have made it affirmative form. So the answer is the sea beach of Cox's Bazar is longer than any other sea beach. And look at this. So there is used for making comparative form, and any other is just the opposite, the affirmative form of no other. No other is used in positive degree, and any other is actually the affirmative form of no other. Okay, boys, that's why I have used there than any other. Now look at the next sentence. No other bird fly as fast as hummingbird. This sentence is also in positive degree, and you are asked to make it superlative. So hummingbird flies the fastest. Hummingbird flies the fastest of all other birds. Look at this. Traditionally, so we use be verb in degree, but sometimes we can even use the main verb. And in this sentence, such type of main verb is used. The main verb which is used in this sentence, that is flies. So hummingbird flies the fastest of all other birds. This is the answer of the fifth one. Okay, boys, have you corrected? Now look at this. The next sentence. Robert Herrick is one of the greatest English nature poets. Robert Herrick is one of the greatest English nature poets. This is in superlative degree. And now we have to make it positive. So as one of the is used there, that means we can say it is not only one, it is more than one. And that's why there should be very few. There should be very few. We can use very few to make a positive degree. So what would be the answer? Very few English nature poets are as great as Robert Herrick. There should be Robert Herrick. Robert is omitted there, but there should be Robert Herrick. Okay, boys? Now comes to the next sentence. Population problem is more acute than most other problems. Can you tell the sentence is in which degree? The sentence is in comparative degree. Now what you have to do? You have to make it superlative. And look at the sentence. So the relation between comparative and superlative is similar. That's why the subject and object, they will be as it is. So the subject population problem, this is as it is, it will be used in the beginning of the sentence. So population problem is the verb will be as it is. The population problem is one of the, for making superlative degree we are going to use there one of the. Why? Because there is not one is compared with other, there is more than one are compared with the rest others, and that's why we have to use there one of the. So population problem is one of the most acute problems. As we have used there one of the, that's why the noun what has come immediately after it, that should be in plural form. The Surma is the largest river in Bangladesh. Look at this. The sentence is already in superlative degree. Now you are asked to make it positive. So what would be there? If we can study the sentence carefully, we can find that the sentence itself is in affirmative form and we are asked to make it positive form. So we are going to use there the positive form. So what would be there? We have to, as we are going to make it positive, then it should be in negative form, and that's why we are going to use there no other. Okay, we have to use there no other. So no other river in Bangladesh is as large as the Surma. Now the next sentence, Charles Dickens is one of the greatest novelists in the world. So the sentence is again in superlative degree and we are asked to make it comparative. As we are asked to make it comparative degree, so what would be there? We have to use the comparative form of adjective, and we know that the relation between superlative and comparative, they are similar. So we don't have to alter the subject and object. The subject and object, they will be as it is. We have to just change the comparative form of adjective. Now what it would be? Charles Dickens is greater than most other novelists in the world. As one of the is used, that's why we have to use most other in comparative degree. Now the last sentence, child labor is one of the greatest curses for the future generation of our country. So this is already in superlative degree, we are asked to make it positive. As one of the is used, that's why we have to use their very few to make it positive degree. So what would be there? Very few curses for the future generation of our country are as great as child labor. Boys, have you corrected? Okay, now look at this. For more practice, I have given you some sentences, and here one will be given and you have to change the rest too. That means just the interchange of degrees. Look at this. Man is the best creation of God. Can you guess the sentence is in which degree? The sentence is actually in superlative degree, and we have to change it into positive and comparative degree. Let us start from positive. So as the sentence itself is in superlative degree and we have the opposite relation with positive degree, so the sentence should be negative form, and for making the negative form we are going to use there no other. And I have already told you, you can even use there is no. So what would be there? No other creation of God is as good as man. Okay, this is the positive degree. And now what would be the comparative degree? Comparative degree would be God is better. Look at this. The relation between positive and comparative is also opposite, and that's where we are going to alter the subject and object. In the previous sentence, so the subject was creation and object was God, and that's why this object has become subject. So in this sentence the subject is God. And now look at this. God is better than any other creation. So this creation has become now an object. Have you understood, boys? Now look at the second sentence. Intellect is one of the best possessions of man for proving his supremacy. There the sentence is already in superlative degree, and we are going to make it positive and comparative degree. So you know that the relation between superlative and positive is opposite, so we have to alter the subject and object, and at the same time we have to also make it the negative form, as the sentence is given in affirmative form. And how can we make it negative? As one of the is used, that's why we are going to use their very few to make it negative. If we want to use their very few before the subject, then it should be in negative form. So very few possessions of man are as good as intellect for proving his supremacy. This is the positive degree of this sentence. Now we have to make it comparative degree. And you know that the relation between positive and comparative is also different. Once again, we have to alter the subject and object. And now look at this. In the previous sentence, intellect was object, and now we are to use it as subject, and that's why intellect is used as subject. So intellect is good, it should be in comparative form, better. So intellect is better than is used for making comparison, and most other is just the opposite, antonym or affirmative form of very few. So that's why we have used there most other. So intellect is better than most other possessions of man for proving his supremacy. Boys, have you understood? I think you must have clear idea about different types of degrees. Okay boys, this is the ending of today's session. Thank you very much. Stay at home safe.